Slide on no back, now I'm feeling like Venom. I told her kick it, backwards, squeezing a Mac, lemons. Walk down, boy, got him booking a reverend. Oh girl, miss me, she jealous. 762 flying out of the Lexus. Bourbon at dinner, he gon' buy breakfast. That boy shooting for big taxes. I put 2 hoes in your man like some scissors. I keep a dog with me, I'm with Clifford.
General, welcome to Ghetto Splash, you see me?
Yeah.
See menu, you just go and look to the menu and make you know where you want some can body put, you see me?
Yeah, we just want a bullet, isn't it?
What?
Yeah, but bullet, isn't it?
We don't serve bulla here, sir. We serve bullet.
What? I didn't know. Sorry.
Brother, don't try disrespect.
I ain't disrespect you, man. Sir, man, isn't it? I never know say a bullet, isn't it?
Bullet, brother, bullet.
I see, we make
Yeah,
all
so
that
give me a
same.
minute to come back here. I'm going to go for your bullet,
Come on.
man.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, man, go in there, man. You see me, you want no water, you want no juice.
Come on, man.
Yo, chef, want a remedy for this right now.
Right now, you know what I do? To me.
Yes, please.
Oh, he's in the clear, he's got away. Saved! Somehow the keeper kept it out.
Yo, Pops.
Keeper kept it out.
Pops. Yeah. What? You can't get that 5K that we borrow from what there, Pops. What you say? You smell yourself? No, I'm just asking 5K. Oh, Jesus, if you're not busy, come help me right here, sir. So you say a 5K loan borrow from you? What do you say, alphabet? No, but that's how you play. Give him back the money for every baby feeding and pampers and get by. You wet bed like me, no know. You can't wet oil of water, so you have a fish tables and pay me for every plate of food that you name in my house. And when you're done, go pay your mother. Carry a big head in her belly. That's what I thought. Fucking arm off my head. Don't make up my face off of me twice, second time I see it.
A lot of dangerous things are going in my life, and it's hard to sleep at times. Father God alone know what me do last night, and it makes me paranoid.
Modded for them, man, they're killing yeah, I did my general.
Yeah, you know?
You know, says I work mega mash up still. So I know that I know say I'm bad man for the dark. I'm bad man in general. So I'm trying to to see it.
I see her passing her there. Do you think you see me? Oh.
Memories of me and your boss in the net. Shoot up the place and go light up the gate. People are talking, all listen what them said. I didn't even know that. But it cruel enough for them say karma is a bitch. Months of stay dead and all. Now my mate still fuck up another squad. Why not?
I really wanna stop, but I just got a taste for it. I feel like I could fly.
Boy, I forgot to ask my bad man friend something.
Football on the moon. So honey, hold my hand. You like making me wait for it. I feel like I could die walking up to the room. Oh yeah, late night watching television, but how we get in this position is way too soon. I know this isn't love, but I need to tell you something.
I like my drink. I like. What is dog?
Dog said that you would ask for light.
Dog, don't forget me there. What the fuck is brother?
But then you ask for light.
We argue this. Dog, my answer for your lighter, dog. You see, next time somebody answer for your lighter. Don't give them this, man. I'll poke the dead man. Poke the dead man for pussy. Stuff your man. Next time, man, I ask for fucking lighter. I light you for give man youth. I will come and give one cheese. Hey boy, I trade if you know, lick me flick in your face in a youth. I'm there attack. I ignorant, man. I get ignorant in a youth. Suck you, man. Yo, dog, here. Chicken food. Chicken food come from chicken, though. Yeah. Pig steel. Pig steel come from pig. Yeah, bro. Right? So where ox steel come from? Where ox steel come from, dog? You ever see ox there, Jamaica? I can't call ox steel come from, brother, for the cow them when I call it cow tail, dog. Oh. Bumbocla, tava just something. Me hear that, you know, I'm to yell, you know. Everybody pass more and yell at me fucking India. That me forget, man. Yo, I feel like one of them shitty emoji that the Bumbocla.
I'm gonna sell some girl some wood, man.
I am. Give me one, yeah.
Give me a send of that. You know, say I see them go to my yard, my youth. You must look at my yard. Oh, you know, I got me about some chicken back in it. I'm going on some rice. So last week, I tell you, I eat that, man. I still have to come remind you this morning. You might know, say last week, I buy half pound of badness and the thing. Done, dog.
Yeah, where is it, man?
Right now, I eat that girl, man. You have to box her up 2 times, dog. I tell you, man.
You box up the girl, man. Yeah, eat it,
you know, say when I night, dog, the sky is still blue, dog. And the sun can hide in a dog. Just afraid of the moon in a dog. Moon a bad charge in a youth that you don't even know in a youth. Might have someone bad my youth, but some pussy will come bright up. And just have to hide when me a forward in a dog. And that me a tell you in a dog, and that a badness in a youth. Might have you don't even know youth.
Them boy and a dog.
Right now, the struggle real on my side right now, you know that. Me tell you, you know that. I want to have some fuck me a pre for go sell in that.
We one place buy fuck, dog.
I go sell some girl some wood, my youth. I'm telling you,
that girl a white wood, dog.
you know, hear Drake say. Fuck you so good, make you feel like it.
Hungry me, bumbo clock, hungry and a food me, I look here. Yo, give me one off.
I know that.
So,
Yo, give me one. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, boy, I want you. Give me one off, man. Yo, you good there? You good there? Way off. Yo,
Yo,
go with it. Yo, give me one off.
Give me a send of that.
Give me one off.
Alright. I say me have a whole phone.
You know the dog.
Sing my idiot man, gonna see big gun in that man and dog, you idiot dog.
Go with dog.
Me I say my boom box them dead.
Come in, man. Your time now, like, hey boy. Left, right, and center.
Yeah, dog.
Left foot. Here, way up. Shoe boy. Shoe boy. No, look, dog. No, dog. Come in.
You know, on a red. I want a red job. You say one red? Brother, you don't know me a whole product, man. Red, you say what, though? Yeah, not sure that this. Ah, yeah. Black man. Oh, black. Oh, black. Alright. Yo, sugar. Hold on. Give me everything. Everything enough. Give me. Hold on. Sure. Yo, brother. Easy na dog. Yo, I'm party, brother. Low him. Yo, just easy. Def. Dog, come and talk again in the dog. I say, sure, brother. Yo, brother. No need to get violent, dog. We can't work out this, brother. Nothing for work out. I don't want to work out nothing, brother. The only thing I want to work out is my chica finger, brother. Yo, make me party it up like morning exercise. You sure, brother. Yo, easy. Oh, yeah, move so dog. Yo, I know you me at that. Easy now. Where's that? Yo, on the girl. Ah. Really, dog? Yo, follow procedure. Quick. Big man thing charge, I can't lift me with one. Oh? Let her with one? No, no, brother. It's like... Alright, we can't lift her with one, you know. But I know one way you want me, I'm going to lift her with, brother. So better you just give me everything, because I'm shocked me, I'm going to lift her with. Shoot me to one. God, you know, if you're going to say one, brother. Yeah. Yes, sir. Everything that everything. Make sure you know, everyone don't try not, you know, that me I telling you, you know. Shoot out, you know, brother. Just know say I saw things. Achoo. How I go, sir? a while ago. Augusto, here's something. What? I flew me up. Huh? Have the what? You know, so the flu me have still, brother, I tell you, give me everything. Everything. You go English class, you go school, everything. That mean all the flu to, brother. Achoo. Achoo. Yeah. Come touch me now. Right, son. Oh, yeah, no, brother. Bumbo clad. Next side. Brother, that's enough, man. Yeah. That me at that.
Pocket so fat, call me.
Them not pay me enough for this thing.
Hello there.
When I'm going to kick me, I go kick the sergeant in the face.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded.
Sir, come here. Oh, come here. Take off your bag.
No, he's not some
Take off your bag, you. Yo, hear me say now? Let me see why in your bag.
You can't do that.
Let me see why in your bag. Yo, take it out. See where you are run. So this you have on a run, so idiot.
I have 5 grand and 5 grand if you catch me with that number of 5 grand.
Yo, he's out. We need room. Scissors now, scissors. Can't be a work on this. Bomba. Good. We have it. Split now, yo. Where's the paper? Not the paper, brother, not the paper. Oh. Think like this now. Look like mommy. Look good. Alright. So I'm ready. Give this baby a burn.
Slide on no back, now I'm feeling like Venom. I told her kick it, backwards, squeezing a Mac, lemons. Walk down, boy, got him booking a reverend. Old girl miss me, she jealous. 762 flying out of the Lexus. Bourbon at dinner, he going buy breakfast. That boy shooting for big taxes. I put 2 horses in your man like some scissors. I keep a dog with me, I'm with Clifford.
See me there, I'm a boss. Them know you are. I forward back. See me take it.
Before I look at it, I got a glass of water.
And a glass of water.
I got for water.
So you don't deal with glass of water, you know, because someone who come in here and don't know what I do with the motor. Yo, I drink the water out of the knife.
I just got deal with my
Where you want? Brother, drink your water the way you want. See, plate your weight for you. Where you want?
Alright. Refreshing. Okay.
You want to refill the glass?
Refill. A refill would be nice. Yeah. Start out that for me. Look at that. Brother, $15,000 for chicken back, dog.
My order where you want. You don't see menu in front. Give me the
Dog.
menu.
Dog.
Where you sit on the menu while I go where you want?
Fuck for the brother. Me nah name your son.
Yeah, they do it for you.
You fuck up. You can go and shop go get chicken back $8 about $15.
Alright, yeah, me I say no.
Yeah.
Fuck we. Fuck we, yes, but you're going to pay your bill right now. See your bill, your brother, hold this.
Which bill?
Your bill there.
Brother, how bill come to this dog?
Oh.
You have nothing there, brother.
You feel like water free.
Brother, what? What down charge for water, dog?
Yeah, definitely.
So how much?
One way or another, I have a pure food, no use for water. It's cheaper than the industry I get on, so
and go on. Is it? Good.